how's it going? Today, I wanted to show you a little camping hack, maybe show you how to play with some fire. Do you like playing with fire? Do you like playing with fire? You wanna play with fire? 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 Does anybody like to play with fire? Disclaimer, we're not actually playing with fire.
Oh no! We suck again!
I know. But we're gonna show you a cool camping hack on how it's easier to make a fire for your campsite. Cook food on, keep warm, the usual fire things. So, without further ado, let's check it out. This is how I did it. I will show you in the video how I used lint from your dryer to start a fire. Lint with your dryer to start a fire. No, I'm not a liar. It'll burn brighter than any other lint that you've ever seen. My raps are terrible, but you know what I mean.
Oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire.
Always, guys, remember to put out your fires. Always have some water on standby, and always put it out, mix it up, add more water, and if you think it's out, add some more water.
Only who can prevent forest fires? You pressed U, referring to me. That is incorrect. The correct answer is you.
Friends, depend on me, Smokey B, to voice a plea. Respect the forest, protect our trees. Oh, what I do?
Smoke, baby, what's the trouble?
Around, this isn't
But
me.
Smoke, you're 50. We agreed you'd talk to kids in their language.
I know, but I'll just give it to them straight. Kids, only you can prevent forest fires.
Smokey, look, Smoke!
I gotta get back to the forest.